Welcome. In today's tutorial, we will guide you through the process of allowing automatic downloads for specific sites in Google Chrome on your PC. This feature can enhance your browsing experience by enabling seamless file downloads without interruptions. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or taskbar. Once the browser is up and running, navigate to the site from which you want to allow automatic downloads. Next, open the site you want to modify. Type the URL in the address bar and hit Enter. Wait for the page to load completely before proceeding to the next step. Now, look at the address bar where you see the web address. To the left of this address, you will notice a small icon that indicates site information. Click on this icon to reveal more options. After clicking the icon, you will see a menu pop up. Here, select View Site Information. This action will open a new window that provides various details about the site's permissions and settings. In this new window, locate and click on Site Settings. This section allows you to manage permissions for the specific website you are visiting. Now, scroll down until you find the option labeled Automatic Downloads. Click on this option to access its settings. Finally, next to Automatic Downloads, you will see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Allow. This setting permits the website to automatically download files without prompting you each time. And there you have it. You have successfully configured Google Chrome to allow automatic downloads from a specific site. This simple adjustment can save you time and streamline your workflow when dealing with frequent downloads from trusted sources. If this tutorial was helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more tips and tricks on optimizing your browsing experience. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.